Hello everyone! I wanted to make a quick video in response to Allie's from the Seaside Stickers, who just uploaded one explaining how she made her own traveler's notebook from scratch. I'll link it down below because it's very interesting to see the whole process. So obviously mine, as you can see, are already made. So I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I thought I would explain to you what I made, what I used, and how I decided to make them. So I'm going to start with the gold one, and I'm going to explain the materials afterwards. So I chose gold from for the outside and white from the inside. It's 4 strands for 4 inserts planner, and so yeah, it has a large pocket at the front and the back, and here you have 3 smaller pockets and 1 tiny one here, and the back is completely plain, and you have 2 pen loops that will hold very nicely thin pens like that. Yeah, so what I did was obviously measure what I wanted. So I have my B6 inserts, and I basically placed them on the leather and measured where I wanted the holes. And then I used a combination of glue and sewing. So what I did first was sewing this side of the pockets on this white pocket. Well, actually the first thing I did was cut out the transparent part of this pocket and sew it around the edge. But then I sewed this part, and then I sewed this part of the pocket, and then I placed everything down as I wanted it, and I glued, did I? Yes, I glued the white on the gold leather, placed the pockets, and then hand sewn all the edges. When I say hand sew, I'm a bit lying. I used my sewing machine, but when I use the automatic option, the leather was waving, so I had to turn manually the little thing that makes the needle move, if that makes sense. So it took quite a while to sew everything, and I just did one line, if that makes sense. And then I did the holes using a hammer and a little tool that make holes in fabric, and then I placed the elastics, and it was done. So this is my everyday planner, and I'm using a few decoration in it to make it a bit sturdier and prettier. So in the back I've just laminated shimmery white paper that I place here. Then on the front I have this card, which I think was the backing of the Erin Condren elastic bands for the planners. So I put that here as well. And then I have my business card that I put in the transparent pocket. Then I have those post-it notes here. What else? I have this bow paper clip that I put on very cute paper to put here. Then this gorgeous mandala thingy that goes over there, and then I have those paper clips just in case I need them in a spread that I put here. A little flower there that is hidden by the bow. And then I think I have this here, and that's about it for the front. And for the back I have this washi card made with the glitter vinyl. I have to find another washi to put here, but for now it goes there. And this other washi card that I'm gonna put in the shop very soon, that I put paper clip on. And behind it, and this other magnetic bookmark, same as this one, that for now goes there. And then I have my inserts, and I have a crystal pen that I put here, and when it's closed it looks like that. I don't have a charm for this one yet. I want to find one that I would really like, because I'm not going to change much the setup of this one. It's my everyday, and I will change the vellums and dashboards, but not the overall decoration of the planner, if that makes sense. So this is the first one that I made. The second that I made is my encyclopedia, kind of. It's a planner that I'm gonna use for stuff about me, basically, what I like, my bucket list, Harry Potter things, my house, my wand, Patronus, just stuff like that. As you can see here, you have a little charm which says mischief managed, and this one I thought was very cute. So this is the same kind of materials. So the faux leather is bronze. It doesn't really show on camera, but it's shimmery, and I've added little strass thingy. So this one was a ribbon that I cut, this one as well, and I've added some more here, and this one. I already missed one here. I'm gonna put another back down, but as you can see, I'm a Ravenclaw, so it's bronze and blue. You have the spine here in dark blue. I've chosen a dark blue elastic, and the inside is, you have a little sneak peek of the inside here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's glitter. It's glitter fabric, so it's absolutely amazing. When I saw that, there was no other glitter colors on the bucket that the leather were in, so it screamed Ravenclaw. So there's the bronze here, then you have glitter, the blue, more glitter, the inside is completely glitter. I've reinforced the spine in the middle as well, and then you have a double pocket here, which is a bit interesting because it's not sewn until the end, but you have a big pocket here that goes to the very bottom of the planner, and then one small pocket that's the full length. And this is just like that to put paper clips or whatever, basically. And this pen loop, which I actually use to put this rose gold pen, because I don't have bronze pen, but rose gold is Ravenclaw enough for me. So same process, I measured, glue and sewn the pieces together, and same, I manually moved the needle, so it took quite a lot of times. And again, it's 4 strings, so it will receive 4 elastics. For now, I don't really have inserts that I want to put in. Not inserts, decoration. I already have my inserts, which are the first is the few of my favorite things that is on shimmer paper and foiled. So you have the foods, and each time with a quote. This one is from Asterix. Then you have the drinks. I only drink coffee until it is late enough to drink wine. Then you have songs. Behind every favorite song there is an untold story. Then you have books. Mine need books like a sword needs a whetstone. This is from Tyrion Lannister in Game of Thrones. Films with a little dinosaur and yeah. And that's So Fetch from Mean Girls. TV shows with the charm Driscoll. A little old school TV which I used to watch my shows on. I had one very similar to that, so I find it very funny. And my quote is "Out for a walk, bitch" from Spike from Buffy. And then miscellaneous, and I have a quote which I say very often: "Chacun mes goûts," to each my own. It's a little joke. I like it. And a little typewriter and a little heart to close the inserts. And the other inserts that I already made are this, to me, myself, and I. Very egocentric, but yeah. So I was born to be someone no one's ever been before from Hanson, the band, if you need explaining. This one is the friend page, which make like friends and what makes me happy in friendships. So this little orca is me, basically, what my best friend calls me, and she's the banana. And yeah, cheering with beers and magical happiness from Harry Potter. Then you have "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?" So I need to find things that I like about me. Like, basically this is a self-esteem boost page, because you need one sometimes. Bucket list that I placed in the middle to make sure that if I want to put more, I have room to grow. And so yeah, you have a little genie lamp, rainbow with some clouds, ooh la la. And this is very faint, but it says "You are your only limit." Then you have the traveling page, there and back again from The Lord of the Rings. We fly, of course, from Luna from Harry Potter. Plane ticket, luggage, and a globe. Then you have "All Right Spring, do your thing," with some spring related icons. "It's Always Summer Under the Sea" from the song by Shireen in Game of Thrones. A little icons as well. Then you have "Leaves are falling, autumn is calling." And then "Brace yourselves, winter is coming." Because obviously. And that's about it for now. I will also have a dedicated Harry Potter insert with my Hogwarts house, Ilvermorny house, wand, Patronus, everything. Quotes that I love, my favorite characters and stuff like that. And for decoration, I only made this for now, which is a Ravenclaw halo bow. So dark blue and bronze and this glitter and the Deathly Hallow pendant that I put like on the front here. So yeah, and I wanted to show you the material that I use. If I haven't already, I don't remember. So this is the simili-cuir from Mondial Tissu, which is a French brand / shop, and it's like €9. I don't remember the exact measurement, but it's not that big, but not that small. I mean, you have this much of fabric. And the glitter was the same brand as well. And little announcement, I am going to bring to the shop small planners like these. So let me show you. They're really tiny, but fully functional. So you'll have the choice of the exterior and interior. The interior will either be pink or white, and from for the exterior you have all those colors. So gold, silver, taupe, mint, white and pink. So I'll show you a bit better. So this is very pretty colors. And for the elastics, you'll have 8 choice of elastics, including obviously pink, white, this wine color, gray, black, and some other. And so it has 4 strands and like real usable inserts. So you have, for example, the weeklies, and the weeklies go like this. So you have notes and all the days of the week up to next week page, and then it goes again. So you have 2 weeks in one insert, and then you have little note page. And I'm gonna also make dot grid and lists. So yeah, very cute thingy. So I will add that to the shop very soon, so you can have them in time for Christmas. So yeah, that was my video about my planners. I hope you liked it. Once again, I'm gonna link Alita's shop down below, and her YouTube channel, so you can see what how she made her own planner. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.